Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options on Interactive Brokers Mobile. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started with confidence. First, we'll explore the app's interface to locate your desired underlying asset. Then, I'll guide you through selecting the right options contract from the chain. Finally, we'll walk through placing an order and monitoring your positions, ensuring you feel comfortable with the entire process. Let's dive in and make options trading accessible for everyone. Once you've logged into your Interactive Brokers mobile app, the first step is to locate the asset you wish to trade options on. Simply use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the stock or ETF symbol. After selecting the correct asset, you'll see various details. Look for the Options tab or section, which will display the options chain. This chain presents all available call and put contracts for different expiration dates and strike prices, giving you a comprehensive view. Now that you're viewing the options chain, it's time to place an order. First, select your preferred expiration date and then choose a specific strike price. Decide if you want to buy a call option, betting on a price increase, or a put option, anticipating a decrease. Next, specify the number of contracts you wish to trade, typically in multiples of 100 shares. Choose your order type, such as a limit order, and set your desired price before reviewing and submitting your trade. After placing your options trade, it's crucial to monitor its performance. Navigate to your portfolio section within the app to see all your open positions. Here, you can track your real-time profit and loss for each options contract. If market conditions change, or if you reach your target profit or loss, you can easily modify or close your position. Simply tap on the specific option in your portfolio, and you'll find options to adjust your order or exit the trade entirely. Staying informed is key.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.